I can't believe we get paid for doing this.
I know! My mom always said that I would never amount to anything playing these darn video games. High five!
Join the Hardware Ultra Lab and get a free gamer Snuggie. You can move the controls anywhere. Anywhere.